You'll also be familiar that we have main mission early on, not rolling on the same field, right? I play WoW and then they have two areas. Two regions have been early unlocked as of recording this video. Oh wait, actually now we have three. You have Strong Farm. There are three regions that you need to early unlock after the Black Shores chapter 1 act 8. I kept on forgetting about the Black Shores. Jinso. There are three new regions have early been unlocked. Venasita, the highway, and some of them all. Swampang is there. And yes, Swampang is still within the new region, but the new areas are coming this August 20th. So on August 20th, new areas have been unlocked by Qingxiao and Jingyuan. No, Jingyuan's mine, not Qingxiao. Volleyball Qingxiao ang botak naman sa akin. I don't know what to say, Kyle, because you're out of wood. Yeah, as of now, Infield just recently announced that rolling is now available on the main mission and unlock. It's just a familiar activity and like you like so yeah, if you want to have an early unlock rolling, you must first complete the remediation process or chapter 1 process store to get this. And local games is nonsense. I have to rage bit about organizing fields. See, and the video run out.